Hi viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Smith Sunday. That many of you have been having issues trying to do your project, your coding projects on Shell, Emacs and Vim, this ALS program, because you don't have what it takes, like you don't have your PC, be your computer and your laptop. Then the question is, how can I attend to my project using my smartphone? Or does it mean that someone without a smartphone cannot complete this project? The answer is no. So on this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can access your Webterm on your Android smartphone. So right now I'm in my sandboxes. Remember, you need to use your shell command line to complete all your projects. So that means your sandboxes must be opened while you're working on your project. So I'm going to show you how you can use your Android phone, your smartphones to complete your project. So first of all, we go over to the Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, being Apple, then go to your Apple Store. So we'll go to our Play Store and download the app called Termus. So Termus is a command line emulator, that is a CLI emulator used in writing commands. So go to your Play Store or your iOS store and download Termus. As you can see, I'm already in my Play Store, so I'll just hit the download button. So note the icon for Termus. So the download has started. Just take about few minutes. So it's installing now. Good. So now I can go over and open my Termus app. Good. So here we are. I am now in the Termus command interface. You can see, say welcome to Termus. So I am going to connect my Webterm to this Termus, but before I do that, we need to install a package and an application called openssh. Now, what is openssh? openssh is a secured remote server that you can use in working on any server at all in your computer. So if you come to your sandboxes, you see SSH and SFTP and also your Webterm. So you're going to install SSH in the Termus before you can be able to work on your command line on your smartphone. So I'll type pkg. Pkg stands for package. Open SSH. Sorry, I have to wipe that up. pkg install open SSH. Click enter. So you have to wait, it's processing. Just follow the instructions. If it prompts an action that requires to attend to it immediately, but if not, allow the process to continue its installation. So if the installation is working, you should continue the process. So the system now is installing the SSH. So I think we are having a problem now. It has stopped. So in case you come across crashes like this, because this Termus emulator, there are so many versions there on the internet, sometimes you hardly get the updated version. So in case you're installing your OpenSSH and then it crashes along the line, you have to try it again. So here I'll try it again. pkg install openssh, enter. So now say, do you want to continue? Yes. For why? Enter. Now while it's installing, if it requires you to press any command, to give you that command immediately, so always be observant. Now I still need to perform that command again. It says the default action is to keep your current version. Install the package maintenance version, or you can keep your current installed version. So I will choose install the package maintenance version. So let me put yes. Why? So it's installing all the parameters I need. So you can see this screen is like, you're seeing this because I have already installed SSH on this Termus before, but for the sake of this tutorial I had to uninstall it from my device so that I can show you guys how to do it on your own. So it's giving me this face you're seeing because I have it installed already. So haven't installed it on your device, you go back to your sandboxes and copy your SSH. Copy your SSH. So it's copied. I'll come here, then I'll paste. So you can see my username and my host name. Now your username and your host name forms your SSH protocol. So I'll click enter. It's going to demand for a password. So are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. So please type yes. Right. You can see that it has demanded for a password now. So I'll go back to my sandboxes and copy my password. Just click on it, it will copy it automatically to clipboard. Copy. Alright, so I'll come here and paste. So the pasting is done. Now one thing you should know about the Termus emulator is that when you're pasting your password, it does not show a password. This is a security this is for security purpose on the Termus, so that nobody will be able to copy or see your password. So I'll click enter after pasting my password. Good. So you see, I am now in my root directory, meaning that I am now the super user here on Termus. You can see I'm now at the directory root as my user name. So with this now I can go on and then type any command, do my projects and do whatever I want to do. So for example, let's say I want to create a directory. I want to create a directory named Stone. So you see I've created a directory. So I want to change directory, my working path to Stone, the directory which I just created. So I'm there now. My current working path now is Stone. So I can continue with all other commands I want to use. So guys, this is how you can connect your Webterm to your smartphone. All your projects you need to do, you can do it with your smartphone, even though you don't have a PC, even though you don't have a computer, or maybe your computer is giving you issue, just connect it straight ahead to your Android smartphone as easy and as smooth as it is. Remember, let me give you the process again. To link your shell command line to your smartphone, or to link your Webterm to your smartphone, you go to your Google Play Store or your iOS store, download the app Termus, install Termus. After installing Termus, when Termus has been installed, you type on Termus pkg install SSH, and then allow it to go through the process. Whatever commands it gives you, just type yes and enter. So after your SSH has been fully installed, you go back to your sandboxes and copy your host name, being the SSH, copy your host name, paste it in Termus, you click enter, you follow whatever command it gives to you, and then when it requires a password, you go back to your sandboxes, copy your host password, paste it and click enter. Remember that by default you're not allowed to see your password for security reasons. Remember, you are using a remote server to connect to your sandboxes, so you cannot see your password. So when you insert your password, you click enter, and there you go, you are at your root directory. You can go on and then do whatever project you have to do on your commands. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.